Hello guys, this is Sham and my friend's name is Ashish, and uh, we are going to explain to right now we are going to explain about business model of our application named as Pluto. Okay, let's get into the topic, the lean canvas, and we may face the problems. First one is that from the local dealers, and we have to sustain the problems we are getting from the local dealers. And second one is that we have to build a strong circle of our partners to get a more profits for our app. And that third one is that we have to verified and trusted partners for that we won't get any damage to our company. And that the solution is that we have to provide best experience possible to the users, and we have to provide offers attract users initially. We have to provide best offers, and the users can find photographers easily without much effort. They and then we have key metrics. These are the things that are essential for our business model. If we have running this based on strong as possible, that we can attract more users to our platform. We have to make sure to keep the ambiguity at least as possible, and hassle free to use for the users. And my friend Ashish is going to explain the next thing.
Okay. Now, as my friend Shamsuna has told that points that mean important points about the business model, the I'm going to continue the next part of our canvas, that is unique value proposition. The unique value proposition is one attribute of our business, which it's like it's a single attribute which can define the innovation that we have in our app so that we can attract more users. uh, Actually, what we do to find more videographers, for any functions or anything, is we go to we we search for videographers in our town, and that may be so hard to they in some cases we may not find some good videographers or editors in our area. So uh, through this app they can overcome this problem of traditional finding of videographers, and we can have many skilled workers, skilled videographers on our app. Actually, what happens is that usually many talented videographers, editors won't be known to all the people. So if they even if in the case if they are known, they may be known at the local stage only. So to our app they can get many chances uh, to expand their business, get money contacts even. And the unfair advantage, this is the thing which tells if the business model can be copied or not. Actually, the business model is not that vast, but it's huge. Like, we have to maintain a good circle of all the videographers and all. Then actual this this idea, according to us, may be the first of its kind, where we manage many things. Like, we are also planning to provide EMIs to videographers so that they can buy good equipment and get good orders according to that. Actually, in our app, they can so that they can get good orders and all. And the next thing is channel. This is the thing where the customers will be known about our app. This is the main thing that affects the business model. Actually, uh, actually the whole model is based on this. Even if we build a good app and we want to run a good circle of with good verified partners and skilled workers, even then we may not succeed if we don't know if everyone doesn't know our app, and so that they can't use our app. So this is the thing which affects the whole business model. And the path to custom, this, as we have discussed, the channel is a path to customers. we can achieve this by doing good marketing. uh, Actually, the marketing in the means, in the sense like, we may do marketing near the schools, or like that, because nowadays, as we see, many of the students and all are planning for going for photo shoots, unpaid photo shoots mostly. So we have to do marketing in such an areas, so where the scope of scope of expanding our app will be more, and the publicity in functions. As in second point, there's no need to give a publicity, because when we get any orders, then we'll when our videographers and photographers gets order to our app, and they go to work in any functions or anything, then they'll be knowing about our company even if we don't give any publicity. So there, as there'll be so many people who attend that function, everyone will be knowing about our app, that these videographers are from that particular app or like that. So, and the other way that we can do, and which is the best way nowadays, is social media. And the next thing, the customer segments. This is the thing where many businesses fail. They don't choose the particular customers properly, because any business is not meant for everyone. So we have to choose our customers correctly, and we have to focus on that only. We may increase our segment gradually, and as we add many more features into our business, but initially we have to concentrate on our core customer segments properly. So the customer segments that we are expecting to use our app are the ones who plan for photo shoots, or who is having functions, or the one who needs to uh, um, I mean have any, if they are, if any small scale industries are having any products and they have to showcase their products, then they need, of course they need any ad shoots. So even they can use our app for finding skillful workers and all that. So the cost structure, this is the thing where we have to plan our spending. So as I've already told, we need some uh, quite a large amount of investment to provide loans. Initially, we are not planning to add this feature, but gradually we need to add this to our business. Like, we have to give loans to the videographers to add any equipment, and then they can pay through the EMIs or anything. And for we need a quite a huge amount of money for marketing to advertisements, so that all know about our app and they can use our app. Then the, as we have discussed already, that's for the setup and all that, for deploying our app and all that, we need some money. And the revenue streams that we are expecting to get money from to our app is the commissions that we get from the videographers when customers book videographers from our app. And we may also give ads on our apps or website, so to that also we can get some revenue. And we may get our, if our business gets success, and then we may get many investors to who are interested to invest some money in our business. So through that we are expect some. And the next thing is from the EMI that the partners pay to us when they take loans for equipment. So this is the whole business model that we planned for the our app, Loto app. So thank you.